this is Hugs, and over there is Ducky. Hi. And Hugs would like to say something. I love Hugs, and I will always give you a hug anytime. Ellie? And Ducky? Ducky, you want to say some few words? I'm from the pond. I don't know where I came from, but I was just swimming around. I don't have much to say. Well, we joined the Underground Toy Society not that long ago. It's so much fun. I wonder where Barry is, though. He was supposed to be here. I'm here. I'm on my... Yeah, what were you doing? I was helping Samantha. Oh, that sounds cool. Yeah. What were you doing? Helping toys. Yeah, well, I want to know. What toys were you helping? Well, I was helping another Ducky like Ducky. Maybe it was your sister, Ducky. Yeah,